Welcome to today's quick tutorial. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to hide your region from specific friends on Facebook using your PC with the latest update. This is a great way to manage your privacy and share your location info only with those you trust. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your PC. Head over to facebook.com and log into your account if you haven't already. Next, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it to access the menu. From the menu, click on your name to go directly to your profile. Once you're there, find the About section and click on it. This is where you can edit your personal information. In the About section, scroll down until you find Region. Next to Region, you'll see an audience icon. This icon controls who can see your region information. Click on that icon. A menu will appear with several options like Public, Friends, or Only Me. To hide your region from specific friends, choose Friends Accept. Now, a list of your Facebook friends will pop up. Select the friends you want to hide your region from. Once you've chosen the people, click Save Changes. And that's it. Your region will now be hidden from the specific friends you selected. This is a simple yet effective way to customize your privacy settings on Facebook. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.